Production of low-cost iPhone SE2 has reached the final stage. We are waiting for the announcement at the end of March. In the very near future, Apple should hold a presentation, in which they will show the new low-cost iPhone SE2. Perhaps the device will be presented in the same way as the Apple AirPods Pro and MacBook Pro 16. On the official website there will simply be a press release in which the company will tell you all the most important things about the new product. In any case, be that as it may, it became known that the production of the new product has reached the final stage. So, according to Internet insiders, iPhone SE2 entered the final stage of production verification at the plant in Zhengzhou. It is likely that the American company still manages in time for the previously specified time, and the announcement of the smartphone will take place at the end of this month. A recent leak of the appearance of the iPhone SE2, iPhone 9. Recall that according to earlier data, the new inexpensive iPhone will be called the iPhone 9. Cost about $400 and have a design similar to the iPhone 8. As for the iron part, the device will work on the basis of the latest Apple A13 processor, which is already installed in last year's iPhone 11 and 11 Pro.